Oh.
Mrs. Doyle, you all right?
No.
You look terrible, doesn't she, Dougal?
Awful, Ted.
Thank you.
I didn't get much sleep, Father. I kept thinking I heard this terrible howling noise.
Oh, that'd be the beast.
What's this now?
There's something terrible on the moors, Father.
Well played.
Moors? We don't have any moors.
Well, then there's something terrible roaming around the place where normally there would be moors, Father.
Totally.
They think it might be a kind of giant fox.
Dougal!
Sorry.
He's adding to the drama. It's
Ted,
perfect.
it couldn't be Jack, could it? You could see how someone might mistake him for a big mad cat.
Don't forget, Dougal, during leap years, Father Jack is very much affected by the changing of the seasons. For a short while, a marvellous serenity enters his life, and he is at one with nature. He's great when he's in the mood.
That was probably my favorite scene in the whole freaking show so far. Oh my god, that was so good. See what I mean? I don't know what to expect anymore with this show, and I freaking love it. It's amazing. As you can see, we're out of a jumper. It's not as cold anymore. Oh my god. That was brilliant, dude. I loved it.
If only it lasted a bit longer.
Oh.
I better go and make some tea.
Dougal, I told you to
Some
turn off that
very
record.
Earthworm Jim sounds.